Here we go again. Have we not learned anything from the Station nightclub fire? 100 fatalities there. What are we up to? 36 fatalities in Oakland? Absolute shame. Preventable, terrible tragedy. What do we need to do to prevent this in the future? Because it's going to happen in South Carolina. Doesn't matter where we are, if we don't proactively handle this, it's going to happen. What do we need to do? We need to demand that our legislators fund more code enforcement and fire prevention personnel. That's important, very, very important. We don't spend enough money on that area right now. We put all of our money into fire suppression. We need a lot of support from other agencies. The majority of the fire service in South Carolina is volunteer, so they don't have the manpower or the time to be able to handle this. We need to support them much better. We need a permit process statewide. Regardless of the type of occupancy, there needs to be an annual permit process whereby if you want to be in business, the fire department needs to come in and they need to review your business and make sure that you're compliant with the fire codes. Again, that will take personnel, but that is necessary in order to prevent this type of thing. We definitely need more focus and attention, and we have had some recently, but more focus and attention on absentee landlords. And I realized that there was a manager in town in Oakland with the property that was there, but an even greater issue and problem is from absentee landlords. So we need to address that issue as well. The other issue that we need to try and address is a statewide adoption of the Property Maintenance Code. The Property Maintenance Code allows us in commercial structures and residential structures to look after some of the items and issues that end up resulting in this type of fire with multiple fatalities. The Property Maintenance Code, when used correctly, can really be a great tool for the fire service. We don't need to go in with a hammer. We don't need to go in and say, all right, you're all closed down, you're all finished, you're out of business. That's not the intent of this. What we want is compliance. We want life safety. We don't want people who say, oh, I'm all about life safety. Yes, my building, my business is all about life safety. And then the minute we leave, guess what? Not really. What we need to do is we need to have the people to do the initial reviews, fire code reviews, and then we need to have the people who can go back and do re-inspections and then do those inspections on a regular basis. Certainly annually would be absolutely key. So if we don't start addressing some of these issues, I think we're going to have the same situation here in South Carolina. It's not if, it's certainly when.